everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add number of days to date in Google Sheet with formula. If you need to add the number of days to date, here is a formula that can help you. Please do as follows. Select a blank cell to output the result and enter the following formula. Select cell A2, which is the date cell you want to add days, plus select cell B2, which is the number of days you want to add to the date. Press enter and then drag the fill handle down to the cells to apply this formula, and the number of days has been added to the dates, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.